Math question 21. Laura plans to paint the 8-foot-high rectangular walls of her room, and before she buys paint, she needs to know the area of the wall surface to be painted. 2 walls are 10 feet wide, and the other 2 walls are 15 feet wide. The combined area of the one window and the one door in her room is 60 square feet. What is the area in square feet of the wall surface Laura plans to paint? So I would definitely recommend doing a little picture for this one, right? So let's see. She's got one wall, and we know that they're all 8 feet high. And I'm going to just kind of do just the little corner, right? So we know that they're all 8 feet. And then one, she says, is 15 wide, and the other is 10. So to find the area of a rectangle, we know we do the length times the height, right? So let's do this wall right here. We're going to go 8 times 15. Now for the whole wall though, for the whole room, we have to remember there's another one right here, right on that wall. So we're going to multiply that whole thing by 2. And now we also need this wall right here, which is 8 times 10. So 8 times 10. And then we also have this other wall too that we have to count for. So let me erase some of this stuff now that we've got my, there we go. So the second wall that we need is going to be 8 times 10. And again, this is going to be times 2 because we have the 2 walls. And we are going to be adding these together. So there's the 2 walls that are 15 feet wide and the 2 walls that are 10 feet wide. And then the other information that we need to gather here is this bit right here, the 60 square feet. The combined area of the one window and the one door in the room is 60 square feet. So we're not going to paint those, so we're going to subtract the 60 square feet. And that's the equation that we have to work with to figure out the total area, or the total surface, right, that we're going to have to paint. So if we do the 8 times 15, right, is 120, times 2 is 240, and then we're going to add this section. 8 times 10 is 80, and then times 2 is 160, and then minus 60. That's kind of nice. We can just almost nix out those 60s. So 240 plus 100, the answer is going to be 340. B for 21.